how to turn off Gemini on Samsung phone. So if each time you press the power button on your Samsung phone, you see Gemini works, and I want to remove this from your Samsung phone power button, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off Gemini from side button, all you need to do on your Samsung is go ahead and open the settings app. On your settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. Click on side button. Click on long press. Now, under long press, you have series of features. You have digital assistance, base B, and power off menu. Go ahead and set this to power off menu. Now, if you go ahead and press the side button, then you should see your Samsung phone power up menu. So that is going to remove the Google Gemini from your Samsung phone power button. On the contrary, if you want to turn off the Gemini app on your Samsung phone, this is what you should do. Swipe down right until you get to the news page. Click on your profile picture at the top right. Click on settings. Now under settings, locate and click on Gemini. Then you should see your Gemini setup. Then tap talk to Gemini hand-free. And here locate Hey Google and turn this off. Now whether you say Hey Google, Hey Gemini, Google Gemini, or you press the power button on your Samsung phone, this is going to remove Gemini from your phone. You can then come back here to turn on Gemini again. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.